you go to your contact. Sorry, you go to your contact. You go to your contact. Locate where your contact is like this. You locate your contact. Once you have located your contact, it opens. What you do is you go to this place and you click. Um, you see settings. You go to your settings. You open your settings. There are two things here. You have import and you have export. So for now we are exporting. We are exporting from the phone to an SD card. So we are exporting. We use export. So we say export to VCF file. Yes, we say export to VCF file. So it's opening. Opens. You see, once it opens, the location. You choose location to be SD card. Just like I've said, I've done it already. Then you say you click on save. So once I click on save, it will be exported shortly. So this contact has been saved in my memory card. So what I do is I go back, I go to File Manager if you have File Manager. But if you don't have File Manager, you can go to File like this. You can go to File. Then if you go to File, you can scroll down and see SD card. Your SD card. If you open your SD card, you scroll up, and once you scroll up, you see it here. This is it. This is it. Hmm? This is it. So this is how to save your contact in your SD card. In case there's any problem and you want to restore this contact, all you have to do is you click these three buttons and you see move to. You see move to. So you click on that move to and it will be moved back to your phone. Any phone, if so far as it's an Android phone. So thank you so much for being on this channel. Please do subscribe to get other of our videos. There are so many of our videos as we upload videos every week to make sure that your phone problems are settled. Thank you very much.